Hey, welcome back guys, and today in this video I am going to share the list of best free English practice apps for your Android phone. So if you want to practice your English by using your phone, then you should definitely check out this video till the end. First on our bag is Duolingo. UI is minimal. It supports most of the mother tongue. It makes you learn in gaming way. Like the visuals are great. Also, you will get right answer in your mother tongue language. The session are enough. Also, the learning content is also increased as lessons. So if you like it, then check out the link in the description box. Second on our bag is Cake. This is also great. You will get to learn new things from animations. It starts from the basics, chapter wise. Here you can check out some learning videos. In review section, you can add your own words, add sentences. Also you can see your liked history. You can manage the profile here, see league, achievement, and choose the learning language. So if you like it, then check out the link in the description box. Third one is Hello English. Here in it, you will get choice that which language you want to learn from which language. Basic course is only free. For others, you have to pay for them. The instructions and teaching ways are great. Chapters in basic course are enough. Here you can do practice with challenges, tips, news, and much more stuff. You can check out the memory option and others. So if you like it, then check out the link in the description box. Hey wait, before moving forward, please like this video because your likes motivate me to create more amazing content just like this. Fourth on our bag is Memrise. You will get enough quota of most of the mother tongues. Here you can see your weekly progress. The lessons automatically change when you complete the previous one. It makes you learn from scenarios. Here you can check out some free scenarios. Also you can practice by watching videos. And here again, it have good corner for the practice. Like it will give you real life scenes. So if you like it, then check out the link in the description box. Last one is Step. In this, you can take your test to check your English. Here you can do practice by rearrange them. In it, you have to guess the word that can be used here. In this section, you can make your pronunciation better. Here you can access the lessons. Or you can buy a crash course. So if you like it, then check out the link in the description box. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Please like this video and share your thoughts in the comment section. Also hit the subscribe button with the notification bell icon to never miss any future video from my side. Thank you.